ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 5 Minutes of Math. You might have noticed that there have been some changes, and one of my favorite hobbies is videography, and I also enjoy photography. So I decided to go ahead and put together something just a little more exciting. I was getting tired of the same old intro over and over again. So you'll notice that from time to time I'm gonna change the music. So if I play something that you enjoy, just go to the end of the video and you can see who created the music, who produced the music, and where you can find more of it. It's always going to be instrumentals, and I'm gonna try to make sure that at least I enjoy listening to those instrumentals. So there's going to be a beat involved somewhere. So this is the homework for the evening of Wednesday, January 17th, 2018. And I'm evolving, I'm growing along with you all. When I started these videos, I started off with my own handwriting. I upgraded that to use the text software. I upgraded that to use animations. And now we're adding some more pictures and sequences and music. Let's get started. Which of the following is demonstrated by this model? And this model is a set of blocks, and all the problem wants you to do is count along the side and count along the bottom. The problems for this week are all meant to prepare you for the benchmark test coming up, so it might be some of anything. You guys should remember this from the first 9 weeks. Count along the side, we have 7 blocks down the side, and you see that 7 in green, and then you count along the bottom, you see the other 7 in green. And what's 7 times 7? 7 squared, or 49. That's what this model represents. So if you go back and look at the book and look at the choices available, the answer is D. The answer is D. Alright, so moving on to the next one. This one says evaluate the expression for f equals 41. This is an equation that you all should have seen in science class. All we're doing is converting Fahrenheit temperatures to Celsius temperatures. Alright, so the first thing we do is substitute the f with 41. So it's 5 times the quantity, 41 minus 32 divided by 9. Complete what's in the parentheses, 41 minus 32. Next, complete the operation in the numerator, 5 times 9, which is multiply. Then we complete the remainder of the problem, 45 divided by 9. And that answer ends up being 5, or G, the letter G. Alright? So, going on to number 3. Which point best represents the square root of 19? Okay, so if we put this in the calculator, which would be my first move too, it ends up being 4.3 or 4.35, somewhere in there. But here's the number line. The book focuses in on 2 through 6, so let's do the same thing. We're going to take our number line and reduce it so that we're just looking at the numbers 2 through 6. Alright, so let's get a close-up. The book gives you 4 choices, A, B, C, and D. B sits right on 4, A is right before that, and it turns out C is about at 4.3. Sometimes you have to estimate. So if you notice here, 4.36. 4.36 is the best estimate of our answer, and 4.5, although you don't see it on the number line, you can guesstimate it's about halfway there. That's why C is the best answer. Alright, C is the best answer. And we are going on. Which operation should be performed first? This is order of operations. You guys should be able to do this one in your sleep, but if not, what I would do is a checklist. Parentheses or grouping, exponents, multiply or divide and multiply from left to right, whichever one you get to first, and add and subtract, add. If you notice, we have multiplication there first in that order of operations. So of course, 7 times 9, or the answer is G. That's the first operation you're going to do in that problem. And the last problem here is, what is the value for r equals negative 12? So r squared divided by 3 divided by 4 minus 1. First step, we're going to replace the r with negative 12. Next, complete the exponents. Negative 12 squared is 144, not 24, but 144. The first division is going to be 144 divided by 3, then 48 divided by 4. Then we have 12, and 12 minus 1 is going to be 11. That answer is C. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you all so much, and I will talk to you very, very soon. I appreciate it. Have a good one.